Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You.
And good morning everyone! Today is Sunday and of course, have a bliss... Very saya guys! Happy weekend na lang! Well anyways, today is Sunday and of course, you have to be kind. Kasi kindness is free. Ayan. For this one, bibigyan ko kayo ng tip kung paano mag-furnish ng for Airbnb. Because we all know now, we don't have yet a long-term tenant. So, we shift those units into Airbnb, guys. So, my advice to those unit owner, if we're going to furnish a unit, much better yung catchy for the eye or good for the eye. Hindi ka tulad ng mga kaibigan namin na masakit sa mata. Well, anyways, kidding aside, today, Sunday, dapat perfect lang tayo. Huwag sapian. Kalmado lang dapat kasi tomorrow is another day. And for this one, I love it. I'm gonna shout out to my owner, kay Ma'am Lisa for short, but Lisa Marie for long. And of course, kay Sir Salvador, pero siya talaga si June. Kamukha siya ni Jujun. Charot. Of course, this one is a bigger unit than the others. And this one is different layout because this one is Grand Suites. Ayan, pang mayaman guys. Ayan, of course. And of course, pang mayaman din ang taste ni unit owner guys. Kay Ma'am Lisa. Ayan, Lisa nila. Kasi para at least mas bata. Kasi pangit naman, matanda na. Tapos maripa din. Charot lang ma'am. Ayan. We start here at home entertainment, guys. In this one, I love it. This one is actually built, of course, my team. Thank you so much to my team. Good after. Charot lang. Ayan, we have here the drawer. In this one, we built this one. We decided to have at least a long kind of drawer para may table na din siya, guys. So, parang siyang bar table. Ayan, ang ganda. Ayan. Ordering ako ng isang MP lights. And, ang ganda nito kasi parang kang nasa movie theater, guys. I love it. So, walang tapon. And of course, if going to do the daily, guys, you have to provide a plates. Ayan, pang mayaman yung plates namin. Gold at saka white. At meron kami ng lagayan ng plate. Ayan. And of course, we have a glass for a wine. Ayan. Cheers. Ayan. Ito yung mga kailangan natin i-provide. And we also have here the 55 inches smart TCL TV. And this one is the most advanced TCL TV, guys, in the world. In the universe. Ayan. So, we have here the Netflix, guys. So, if you want to book us or Airbnb, just let us know. Ayan. So this one, I just actually extending my help to the who rent this unit, guys. So it's my friend. So I extend my help para at least mabigyan sila ng guest. Ayan naman tayo. Alam mo naman tayo sa pagkakitaan. Mukha tayong pera. Aminin nila tayo mukhang pera, guys. And this one, we still have the LED at the back of the TV, guys. Ayan. And we put a wall-mounted keme-keme. Ayan. Ang ganda, this one. Should I turn off this TV or I don't need na? Kasi pa yung background siya. This pang mayaman siya, guys. And we have the carpet in here. And we have this small center table, guys. And this one is babasagin ng tempered glass, guys. Ayan. So, we still have here a sofa. I love it. You know the good thing about here is very spacious, guys. In this one, I love all the color in here because it matches everything. Ayan. Pang mayaman siya, guys. Ayan ang basa na pag-ipang mayaman. And we have here the mirror. And of course, we have the whole panel, guys. Ang ganda nito. And don't forget the ceilings there. The most important thing about the unit is you have to do the pailaw. It's perfect, guys. And we have the fan light. It's a chandelier na may fan sa taas. Ayun. I love it. And let's go to the kitchen part kasi ito yung pinaka-importante. Siyempre, yung mga guests kailangan nila panggap na marunong magluto. Ayan. So, wala pang microwave sa soup. Baka naman turn over mo na yung microwave. Kaya yung microwave, hindi pala deliver. But of course, we have to provide a microwave kasi most likely yung mga tenant, if they don't know how to cook, bumibili na lang sila outside ng food. So, they make it init. And of course, we have here the refrigerator, guys. It's actually optional if you want a smaller one, but sooner kasi later on, long term natin pag okay na yung economy. Kasi so far for now, the Pogo is banned and they are forced to live in the country. Sa mga owner naman, government na yung may kakain desisyon. Gobyerno na nagpalayas. Ayan, so ito yan guys, ang pinakamaganda dito. We move actually the original na kitchen countertop and we decided to put this one. This one is a granite and it's too thick. Ang niya, tingnan mo, imagine. Ang pala nito, kaya pala expensive kasi ang kapal niya. Ang kapal. Charot. Ngayon, we have here the rice cooker. We have the kettle. Ito yung mga kailangan sa Airbnb, guys. And mayroon tayong pan here. Meron ganyan. And parang wala tayo ng kutsara. Meron pala, may kutsara pala. At meron tayong extra dito na mga baso at saka, ayan, plato. Ayan. So may lutuan tayo guys para sa mga syunga-syunga na mga guest. Ayan. May rain shoot tayo. Kasi ang medyo syunga-syunga lang talaga ng mga guest. Alam mo, dapat super host na talaga ako. Kasi minsan sinasapian talaga ako. Kasi minsan may picture na doon, tatanungin pa, may balcony po ba? Halika dito! Tingnan natin. Charot. Siyempre, patient. Opo ma'am, meron po ma'am. Pero, nagigigil ang Disney princess. Kaya so, kailangan super host. Let's go to toilet and bath. Let's go here. This one, I actually recommend to the unit owner, if you do the furnishing, kailangan mo din siya i-set up for the long term. Kasi in the long run, kung gusto nyo i-set the long term, at least, hindi kayo ulit gamit. Ayan, we have here this tempered glass na shower enclosure, and we have the heater, and we customize the built-in wardrobe cabinet overhead. Balik talaga, overhead dapat yung muna. Never mind. And of course, we still have the washing machine. You know one factor that I really want to tell you kasi yung washing machine minsan may long stay. So it's very helpful guys na meron ng washing machine para maka siya ng clothes niya. Ayan. Charot. And I love it. It's very spacious guys. I love it. And of course, let's go here. This one is salamin siya na tempered glass. Nasalamin. Basta ganun siya. But this one is different actually. Different than the previous the vlog that I did. Iba naman yung tema nito. This one is salamin. So, yan kung baka makikita yung nag-video sa akin. Ayan guys, we remove the partition in return with this one. Chadon. Diba? Ganda. Ganda? Ganda. Ayan. And don't forget, if you do the day guys, ayan ang beddings. May tulips. Kasi nga naniniwala tayo sa kasabihang, tulips people in the world and charot lang. Ayan! Pabeddings ang Disney princess. Then you still have the amenity kit. Ano ba itong naman ito? So mag-unboxing tayo for amenity kit. Kung mas chismis kami doon sa bakit wala daw kami mga toothbrush? Toothbrush! Ano ba na? Toothpaste! Sabon! Chismis! Bakit yung guest naman na hindi na sa amin nag-very good ng 5 star? Meron naman pala kami. Shampoo? Ay, may shampoo ba dito? Tingnan ko nga, may shampoo ba dito? Ay, may shampoo! Chismis, may shampoo. Huwag na kayo mag-conditioner, ang arte naman nyo. Ito po si Katkat, ang super host na may kunting attitude. And guys, don't forget, you have to add a towel. Kung 4 sila, 4 din yung towel. Paka-arte! And we still provide a tissue. Pang mag-girap yung tissue natin. Ayan! Ready na for Airbnb this one. I'm helping my friend to get more guests kasi as Disney princess, kailangan mag-market. And this one is queen size bed. And we added also details in here. We have here the paintings. The paintings makes your unit more luxurious at pangmayaman na place. Kaya we put paintings. This was a bigger actually. Ayan. So we still have here the mirror at may pailaw kami, the mirror. And we have this one is center table but we make it side table kasi nasa side. And well, ito yung pabango pala namin, no? Nabango, in fairness. Mabango. Ayan. Ayan. So, ayan guys. We still have here, meron siya ng drawer. Eh, pwede dito mag-long stay sa mga Airbnb. Mag-long stay kayo. Ayan, nilagay namin dyan yung mga link sa gusto mag-stay. Tapos pwede nyo kaming i-follow sa page ko, CatCat Vlogs. Yung vlogs niya, guys. VLOGS, sa mga bungol. At yung CatCat niya, K80, hindi si 80. Ano yung pusa? Charot! This one is a wardrobe cabinet. And this one is customized. And this one is tempered glass. Ayan, illusion na salamin. Nilagyan pa namin yan ng LED para pang mayaman. May pailaw yan sa loob. Pakots. Meron kami drawer. Kasi this one's very fragile. Very fragile. And this one's built-in, guys. Ayan. Walang chismis. Soft close naman. Hindi tayo pinahiya sa video. Charot. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Kay Ma'am Lisa, and of course kay Sir June, ayan. Yan ang ano ko sa inyo, mga for short naman, hindi for long. Ayan. And of course, we still have here the side table, guys. So, dalawa sila. Ang tawag sa kanila, side by side. And of course, we have a drop ceiling in here up to the living area, guys. Pangmayaman kami. Ayan, and we have the color gold and white na pailaw. And the aircon must be placing here. And of course, we have the vanity mirror here. Medyo nga lang ang discipline kasi super work ako kahit Sunday. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Ayan. And this one is a total blackout blinds, guys. So, I love the view. This one is a MOA eye view. So, let's go. Pinakamaganda talaga yung I love you. Charot lang. Let's go. Itaas muna natin yung blinds. Sit down. Ayan. Ayan. And thank you for patience. Charot. Ganyan-ganyan talaga minsan sa Airbnb. Pero Diyos ko, gusto ko talagang, I'm sorry na lang. Charot. Ayan yung view. Ayan. I love the view. It's a MOA eye. And of course, and the good thing about the unit is the balcony is bigger. We can add this coffee table in here while waiting the fireworks. It's very good for December. At lagi may fireworks sa MOA. Yan ang MOA. IKEA, MOA, SM. Ano ba yan? Maniko, mga papayiko, bahala na kayo, guys. Ayan. And of course, ayan. Thank you so much, everyone. And I do hope maganda yung araw nyo. And start with a positive vibes every day. And don't forget, love your parents more than anything in this world. And you have to be kind to one another. And thank you sa mga viewers ko at sa mga nag-stop. Charot lang. Thank you so much. And all we need is love. Ayan, bye-bye! Have a Sunday!
You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last for